Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
I'm Abby.
This is Popeye, and we are the RC Sailors. This is going to be a fun video because just a few days ago, maybe like a week ago, we did a video for you guys featuring a little drone called the DM104. That was Abby's favorite indoor micro drone of all time.
It's pretty awesome.
Has altitude hold. It was under 20 bucks.
And some of you all didn't like that we didn't really talk much about the camera version. And
here it is. That thing was amazing on its own, and surprisingly the shipping on this one was like a week to get here, which was crazy. Awesome job on that. Which is normally not the case, you guys know that. And we did decide to get a different color with this one. And this one has a camera. This is a Wi-Fi FPV camera version. It's almost double the price. And if you wouldn't know any better, you'd say it was the exact same thing. This one
same box, basically.
Has the same box. The drone itself looks almost exactly the same, but the camera version does have a little bump on the top for the camera and an antenna sticking out. They're the same size, and I think it's the same battery and everything. Yeah, it looks like the same. So I think the non-camera version is going to fly longer and be a little bit more agile, and the camera version is probably going to have a shorter flight time and be less agile.
But it's Wi-Fi. It's not 5.8 gigahertz.
Right.
So that's the downside.
A lot of people did ask us to talk about the camera version, so there you go, we got it. Now, here's the crazy thing. The same day that we did our video on this little drone, they completely sold out, and I think there's hundreds of notices submitted now to get more of these in stock. So I think they will. I'm pretty sure they will, so you might want to do that, but I'm pretty sure this guy's still in stock, so
there are a lot of people out there that like Wi-Fi drones.
there are, surprisingly. And
we're doing it.
Anyway, we've got a video on this. If you haven't seen it, you should go check it out. But I wanted to get this out to show you, first of all, we still have it and love it. And secondly, just a quick little side-by-side comparison with this.
And if you missed this video, we'll have it carded up here for you.
Right. Okay, now this guy is pretty much the exact same drone, except it does have the camera on top, and luckily this Wi-Fi FPV camera, unlike yesterday's drone, the little inflatable airbag drone, it has its own dedicated transmitter. The exact same transmitter as the other one, altitude hold and everything included. The only difference is the giant chip clip on top, and 2 giant thumbs up to these guys for using the chip clip. They work on tons of sizes of phones, and they work really well as long as that spring is strong enough, and this one really is. I want to point this out while you're getting the app and stuff ready. It comes with 4 spare props, which is awesome. And this is one thing that I really like when little drones do, and all drones for that matter. They come with pincher sticks and thumb pads. Abby and I are thumb flyers, so we'll put in the thumb pads on the transmitter, but you can go either route. And if you've never tried the other, like maybe you've only tried flying with thumbs, this would be a good chance for you to try flying pinching. Popeye doesn't care how we fly, he just wants us to fly.
He wants us to fly bad.
This is a single cell 300 milliamp LiPo battery. Popeye, you want to get to put the battery in the drone. And Abby, are you ready to go?
Ready.
You got the app downloaded?
The app is downloaded.
USB charge cable, about 40 minutes or so for it to charge.
And this is a really common battery with the really common connector. So we'll try to remember to link those down below. We'll try.
I think we linked them in the other one. I think.
Yeah, but we forgot to link this one, so I did go back that night.
Yeah, and we replied to everybody. Sorry. Okay. I'm ready to fly. I'm going to get in the air first really fast, and then we'll pass it off to you.
You didn't even get to fly the other one.
But that's your turn. We are bound up, and there's little Popeye. Camera's working. That's good. Say hi, Popeye. What is the old saying? I'm ready for my close-up.
Yep, that's the saying.
Who's the person they say?
Like
Mr. DeVille or something like that? Popeye, are you ready for your close-up? Whoa. Whoa, that's a Popeye eye. Okay, Abby, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's just I'm having too much fun with that.
Clearly.
Alright, the button layout is pretty good, so it shouldn't be hard to remember or anything. I do wish stuff was labeled on here, but it's not, so
let's fly.
Let's fly. Press the left stick to start the motors and again to take off, I think. No hands. Right out of the box. That's pretty good. What's up, little drone?
Alright, Doug Dog.
Okay, it is drifting to the left a hair, so I'm going to fly it right back. He's like leaping off the couch and stuff. So close, buddy, so close. You are so close. Within just an inch or two, you can almost get that, Popeye. Alright, let's trim that to the right just a hair. And... oh, that was good, buddy. That was so good. There we go. There's Abby hiding behind the camera. She's going to fly this in just a second. I'm going to quickly fly through some of the stuff that it can do. So it's flying great. This is awesome. This is actually really good. The Wi-Fi has very little delay. But it is cropped in a good bit, so I wish it wasn't quite so cropped. Whoa, it came down too fast. Well, let's see if I can just kind of like, whoa.
I can't see you.
I'm just flying down the hallway. That's fine. We got video. I feel like my camera's aimed up a little too much, but that's probably so we can, when we're flying forward like this, it's nice and level. So that's great. This one is actually designed like they know you're going to be flying forward, son. The camera's pitched up a little bit. That's really cool. Okay, let's do a couple flips here really fast. I don't want to eat up the whole battery for you. Very good flip, even with the camera.
They just lost their lunch.
That was great. And we should have different rates. 2 beeps, so there's our higher rate. How does it look flying around in FPV like this? Oh!
Oh, it died! What are you doing?
Going fast. Not bad.
You don't fly like I fly.
Oh, there's 3 rates. Look at that.
Crazy.
Wow, the FPV is crazy on here. So the 3rd rate is super fast.
Oh my gosh. You're fired. You almost took out the camera person twice.
Go back to rate 1.
You don't know how to fly this one.
Your turn.
Now that I almost died twice, let's show them how it's done, right, Papa? Let's film. Click left stick, cue dog.
I just got showed up pretty bad. So let's see if you crash. Let's see if you crash. I was zipping around pretty fast. You getting it trimmed back up?
Yeah, from where you messed it all up.
Like you've never crashed before. Popeye, tell her we all crashed.
I never almost taken you out with a drone. I clicked the wrong one. Now it's yawing.
Nice, yeah.
I clicked the wrong one.
Well,
So my fault.
You maybe have never taken me out with a drone, but you've taken a plane out with a drone.
My battery.
Oh,
Thanks,
no.
Nathan. That was a terrible video.
Aww.
Anyways, this flies really similar to the DM104. Just has some extra weight to it because of that camera. I was very impressed with the rates that Nathan showed you all. But, you know, you gotta start simple before you join the big dogs, Nathan. You didn't get time to get used to how drone fly.
You're right, you're right. I did not do this drone justice.
So, it's very, very easy to fly. I was trying to trim it out, but I messed up.
Oh.
There's Cute Popeye.
You got it, buddy?
He's got it.
Good boy. Good boy.
So if you missed our video of the DM104, the non-camera version of this drone, and it's what, like half the price?
Yeah, about half the price.
A lot cheaper than this one. Flies amazingly well. It's really easy to fly if you're a beginner to the hobby, and it's cheap.
It is cheap.
This one is for somebody that is okay with Wi-Fi FPV. You could probably, yeah, it does have the dual screen. So you could put this in goggles that hold phone and do Wi-Fi FPV with it. But with the Wi-Fi FPV, you're going to get some lag.
A little. It wasn't super bad on that one.
It wasn't really that bad with this one. That's why people like 5.8 gigahertz, which is another type of signal that is like spot on. Supposedly there is a 5.8 gigahertz version of this, the DM104G. Maybe we'll try to get that on the channel since you guys are really fond of this drone. I'm really fond of this drone. Let us know what you think. Would you get the non-camera version or would you get the Wi-Fi camera version? Is the video quality and the ability to see that live feed worth the extra money? Or would you rather save your money and just get this one to fly around and have some fun? Because if I can fly this hands-free, anybody can fly this. Same with this one. I can fly this hands-free. I just didn't have enough time to show you guys. My suggestion is if you buy either one of these, pick up some extra batteries, which we'll have linked below. But I think this drone, this style, this type, this brand is a home run.
They're doing
super
good.
impressed with them, and I honestly am sitting here now looking at this 5.8 gigahertz version, and I want it now. So hopefully that'll be on the channel soon. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and if you appreciate us helping you find the perfect drone for you, swing on over to our Patreon page where you can support us and everything we do. We appreciate you guys so much for watching, and we will see you